so lit. First of all, I got a new hair accessory vendor, and guess what they sent me? Packaging, like, to put my headbands in. Product! I'm restocking these. Y'all gonna be able to see them by the time y'all see this vlog, because they going up today. I ain't wasting no time. I'm so lit. Okay, y'all, so I'm back after all my excitement. Let me show y'all my new inventory. I got our charm bands that y'all have already seen before on the website. Go cop these right here. And then I got our new charm bands, these jeweled ones. Y'all, they're so pretty. Go cop. I don't know what I'm gonna name them. I don't know what I'm gonna name them. I can't even lie to y'all. They're just so damn pretty, bro. Like, oh, they're so pretty. They're so pretty. Look at that. Ooh, wee. Ooh, darling. They're so pretty. They're so pretty. Like, I dropped these and like 2 minutes later, like 2 people just purchased them. I'm lit. I need to hurry up and drop these. I was gonna wait, but I can't. I gotta do it now. I gotta do it now. Y'all finally get to see I'm in my house. It's a house. And I'm in it because it's for me. Y'all, so I moved out my mama's house. It's in my own house. It's my parents' rent house, but it's for me. What? And we are currently, I've been here, how long I've been in here? A month? Almost a month. And we've been trying to get it together, trying to decorate. Right now, I got some, what in the garbage? What is it? Ooh. Right now, I didn't want to like show it to y'all raw, cause it was real raw, y'all. Like MedSurg was in here and it was real raw, okay? Nothing. I got a couch there and some carpet and some curtains, and then Zuri's room is right there. But guess what came? My carpet, cause I'm putting carpet in my bedrooms. Cause yeah, and then y'all, we're gonna give you some countertops, cause right now it's just wood. What? You said something. But it's lit. But y'all want to know how much countertops are? $2 grand. You want to know how much carpet is? $250. So we got the carpet instead of the countertops. This wood ain't never hurt nobody. But I was like, this is a good time to come and show everybody the moving in and the getting it together. So we're gonna put the carpet in tonight. And I'm gonna show y'all what I done did. Decorating Zuri's room a little bit. I just took some stuff from my house. I bought some new curtains from Home Goods. Home Goods is expensive, child. I'm never going there again unless I just know exactly what I want from there. And I'm on call, so I worked last night. I worked my 2 out of 4, but the census was low and they had enough people, so I put on call. So when you on call, it basically means you got an hour to get to work if they need you, if the census go up. So right now it's just 6:36, so I wouldn't even be at work right now. Like, I gotta clock in at 6:45, so we don't know. But they call you at 5 to give you a courtesy call and be like, hey, you ain't gotta come in just yet. So that's what they did. I got my workout attire on because my mama went and picked up my carpet for me today, and they was gonna do it anyway, but I can help now since I'm on call. But they moving everything out of the room. I've been helping, but I is sweating. Okay, I'm sweating. What's wrong, Zuri? You need to put your slippers on. Where your slippers at? Let's get your slippers.
No. Raise it up like this so I can tape it on this side. Oh, so yeah, I need to tape it right here. Yeah, like this. How you want to do it? Watch your foot. It's a comb. Turn it long ways like this.
Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch it gonna fall. They finna move it.
Hey, knucklehead, move.
Hurry, get down.
Are you ready to cut that right now?
Yeah. I gotta cut it here.
So I'm just saying, they need a razor.
So Babacita and Bonita put the carpet down. It's lit. Her room looked better with the carpet in it. Like it looked like it go more. It looked more put together with the carpet. Say hi. You want to watch Moana?
Okay.
We could sleep in your room tonight, girl. You got carpet.
Yeah, look at here.
They ain't called me for work either.
Look at what I'm saying. See what I'm saying? Tell me what this sister can't do.
Mama, nobody said nothing. I'm the one that I said, Mama, while I'm on call, we might as well put my carpet down.
I didn't
Well, yeah, come on, just come on.
I didn't say
I'm back. I'm back. Okay, so let me tell y'all something. I was trying to edit for y'all and I forgot to finish the tour. Like, what? Y'all just see me laying carpet and that's it. Well, it's been like a month now since the carpet been down. I think about a month. We went through a whole hurricane, child. I'm gonna sit down and talk about it, but we're gonna do a unofficial house tour right now since I done started y'all and then told y'all to move. I gotta finish, okay? So y'all, my braids is fresh, braided by Pie. I think she go like, I think her little tag is adorned by Jay. Anyway, Janara did my hair. Got my knotless. Literally just walked in the house from getting knotless. Like, started at 8:30, finished by 1. Period, poo. Period, poo. Down to my butt. Period, poo. Anyway, so, y'all, this is my room. I ain't finished decorating yet. Let me tell y'all something. Decorating and furnishing your house is expensive. Home Goods ran me for a check and all I got was damn curtains and pillows. Anyways, but I'm not done with my room. I want my room to be like, have like a certain like vibe and aesthetic, you know. So I'm not done right now. It's just basic, you know. I got this this colorful elephant. Y'all know I love colors, from Ross, I think, and I've been had this. I took this from my mama's house because that was for me and I paid for it. This is just my laundry room with a shit ton of Zuri's crap back there. Like, all of that is Zuri stuff. Like, that's her stroller, her big bulky stroller, and like her godfather paid a lot of money for that swing and I'm not giving away. Her pool, the canopy, that's just the laundry room doing what it's doing. So I have a very open layout. This is the bathroom with my, y'all know what a bathroom look like. This is the infamous booty mirror where all the booty pics is taken. Period. I got my cozy scents going in here. Black owned business, black owned candle maker. Y'all keep giving me messing this shit out and turned the fan off. Don't y'all keep giving Bath and Body Works y'all money. No shade, no tea to Bath and Body Works because I have candles too, but support a black owned business. This is my living room slash dining room slash kitchen. It's a big open layout. I'm gonna show y'all it from the front door. My aunt gifted me this table. It's been serving its purpose at a table. I'm gonna get a new table, but like I said, furnishing your house is expensive, honey. We just went through a panda hurricane. This is my kitchen. I ain't gonna get too close because I got dishes to wash. And I told y'all about my countertops. Still ain't got none. If anybody wanna give me $2K to give me some countertops done, great. But until then, this wood will suffice. This wood ain't never hurt nobody. And this is my living room. me and Zuri was playing Uno. Well, I was trying to teach her, well, you know, reinforce numbers and colors with her, even though she got it. Sis is smart. You know, reinforce it with the Uno cards. Teach her some social skills, some gaming skills, you know. Period. This chair, my mama gifted to me, and it's gotta go. It's gonna say its purpose right now because it's, you know, cool or whatever, but it looked like Born in America, okay? And yeah, that's my chair. Let me show y'all how it look. Like this. So it's just like meow, and then that's the back of my house, you know. But it's gonna be decorated and cute once it's all said and done. Also, this little area is gonna be my filming area. It's just me and Zoo, and I don't know if I want to do like a filming wall where I change my backdrops and stuff like that, or if I want to do like actual like setup, you know, like the desk with the plants, the aesthetic, the whole, you know, I'm sitting in my room, not sitting in my room, but y'all know the vibes, like the vibes that Aaliyah Face and Face Over Matter be giving with the desk in the background where everybody got. I'm debating on if I want to do that right there or just change my background. So right now I really want to do like, I'm not gonna tell y'all. I'm not gonna tell y'all. But yeah, so I'm going, and then this is just a junk. That's gotta go. And then it's Zoo's room. She not here. She with her granny right now because I got my hair done. So y'all, this is her little cute little room. That was the wreath from her I made when I had her. That was in my pregnancy countdown vlogs. I gotta hang her other blind up here. She got these cute curtains from Home Goods. I told y'all Home Goods ran me for a check. And yeah, that's about it. That's her mirror to her dresser. But the way my daddy hung the TV, the mirror and the TV would like hit each other. But she don't need a mirror right now. She Gucci. Her little Minnie Mouse set, whatever. So yeah, that's basically it, guys. So quick life update. Hold on, I had to do something, y'all, but I'm back. But it's the next day, and I went to the doctor. I got some blood drawn, so that's why this on my arm. I can really take this off. I see what my patients be talking about. Free wax. But yeah, y'all, so what I was saying yesterday, mini life update. I've been in my house for a minute now. After the carpet was filmed, it's like a whole month later. We done been through a whole hurricane. I had to like, y'all, I'm gonna talk about it in my nurse video, but yeah, y'all, so life just be life and work been working. I just been stacking up. Like in June is Father's Day and Zuri daddy birthday. Zuri and her daddy 10 days apart through her birthday party. Then of course I turned 25 in August. I got an Airbnb, went on a bike ride, had a nice fancy ass dinner, and got drunk at brunch, was drunk the whole weekend. And then right after that, like, I got home Sunday, Monday we had a mandatory evacuation. Tuesday I was shipping my mama and my daddy and my daughter out because we were supposed to have a hurricane. It was a lot. So now in September, you know, I'm doing my 3 days a week, just taking a minor break, because October, November, December is Stacktober. We stacking it up. We're running the PTO up because of 2021, excuse me. I'm using all the PTO, okay? Because guess who taking trips all 2021? Me. I was supposed to be in Mexico for my birthday. I was supposed to be in Vegas. I'm going to Jamaica next year. Everything I had planned for this year is just going, we just a year out, and then the next day, and I need all the PTO and I need all the coins, okay? Like, period. I was about to say something. Charm Life still up and running. Go shop. My headbands did really good that y'all seen at the beginning of the episode. I think I only have 2 left, so y'all buy them out. Also, I got hair on hand. We lit. I just thank God for everything I can thank God for. And my plan is today is to film and try to get this little filming set up so I won't have no excuse but to plug up my camera and turn up my lights and do my makeup, if that. I haven't been filming with makeup on because my skin really been flourishing. My hair been done, but it ain't been done in the times I just have time to sit down and film. So today is like my last day before I have to go back to work for my 3 days, and then after that I got some stuff to do this weekend. So yeah. But anyways, I just wanted to give y'all a mini life update and get this vlog out because this was some content, some purposeful content only. And I'll talk to y'all in my next one. Love y'all. Bye.